Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals. Today I'll be making a gold bead ring. This is one I made earlier. This one in fact only fits on my little finger though. That's what I built it for. And these are all the gold beads I will be using. And with this wire. Very thin, cut gilded wire. Already measured out what I need. You can see it's very shiny. So I'll be making a slightly larger ring here today. As this one, as I said, only goes on my little finger. You can see they're quite nice, they're also quite comfortable as they roll around, all the beads and such. All the nice rings to wear. So put all these on this bit of wire and seal it up. Can be quite fiddly due to the 2mm beads with a 1mm hole, threading them onto a 0.3mm bit of wire. Don't really want to drop these, and you have to be careful when you twist it also towards the end. Do it too much, you'll snap the wire. This is probably a copper alloy wire. I'd say copper and a small amount of zinc. Reason for that is to help it keep its shape, more malleable. As copper is quite heavy and quite hard, and this stuff is certainly not that. So probably an alloy, maybe tin. However, this keeps its shape quite well. Could be an alloy of all three. How to know without testing. It was quite cheap and good jewellery wire. Mass produced factory stuff. Not handmade. I have quite a bit of copper wire from electronic waste. I'll probably use some of that in the future to make some larger rings like I have in the past, as well as use for wire working on gemstones and such. Should be interesting. Keep an eye out for that. You can also make earrings in the same way like this. Just attach the ends to a split ring, tie it on there nice and tight with a couple of knots, or a nice spiral design. It's up to you. Lots of different ways you can do that. Very fiddly this, as you can see. Stranger eyes also, very shiny and very small. Do not drop these things on a carpet, you'll never find them again. And if you drop them on something smooth, like this sort of material, you'll probably just lose it also, since it'll roll about every time you find it. I found it's best to have a little black sheet like this, or some dark coloured fabric that's flat and not piled. Helps you not lose them. I don't think I'll need many more beads there. What do you think? This will be a short how-to video, complete build obviously. Complete fiddly build. Very shiny though, nice results. The same with that one. This one will just be a little bit bigger, replicating it to show how I made that one. Okay, there's enough upon there now. I've already crimped it to the distance it needs to be. So just twist the wire now carefully. Don't want too much slack, so you'll have to twist it all the way in. Like so. Make sure that fits, shall we? Fits on that big finger nicely. So we'll snip that. Give it a little bit more of a twist, very carefully, don't want it breaking. Clippers, make sure they're sharp. There's not enough of a twist on that, I can see it, there's not enough kink to come undone. No, it's me twisting it the wrong way. There we go. Difficult to see, the wire is very, very fine. So, snipped off that little bit there. It's almost hard to perceive. And there's a little sharp bit there which I will crimp in. That's going to come undone. Have to carefully twist that. Oh, dropped it there. Actually, no it is not. I twisted in quite far. Cool. Just want to try and poke the sharp bit inwards into the ring itself. Using my thumbnail, as you can see. There we go. Nice, very nice. Done. So, very nice ring there. And it fits on my big finger. Does it fit on my even bigger finger? Let us find out. It indeed does. Nice. So, nice chunky bead ring. Fits on my big finger. Kind of unexpected. And there's all the beads that are left. Not many left, as you can see. Exceptionally shiny. Really pretty looking. And there's the ring that I just made. You can see it's very, very nice. Didn't take long at all. Does keep its shape though, so probably need to put it on some sort of ring holder. There's the one I made before, the little finger. They roll about freely and they're quite comfortable to wear. All the beads individually roll about. So, quite nice, quick and easy build. Shiny. Well, till next time.